2 popular VPNs. 2 totally different vibes. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Surfshark, premium privacy and unlimited devices, ready for power users. And on the right, TunnelBear, the friendly VPN that keeps things simple and fun. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we start throwing punches, here's what's on our mind map. We'll be looking at price, security and protocols, overall features, server network, device and platform support, and, oh yeah, ease of use. We'll hit each of these so you can see which one comes out on top for your needs. Okay, first up, price. Surfshark honestly comes in clutch here if you're looking at those long-term plans. They've got this wild 87% off deal with an extra 3 months free tossed in. Only catch? Their monthly plan? Yeah, a bit more expensive than TunnelBear's. But if you're signing up for the year, TunnelBear actually ends up costing you more than Surfshark. TunnelBear is cool if you just need a short monthly plan, but over time, Surfshark is definitely winning the savings game. Moving into security and protocols, Surfshark is kinda the nerdy powerhouse. Loads of protocol options like WireGuard, OpenVPN, Ike v2, even ShadowSocks for the super private crowd. Plus, you get manual control over all that techie stuff. Kill switch, obfuscation, private DNS, you name it. TunnelBear keeps things simpler. It picks protocols for you automatically. And honestly, that's great for beginners. But on iOS, it uses L2TP IPsec, which is not as strong as you'd hope. I mean, TunnelBear does obfuscation and has basic security locked down, but Surfshark? Yeah, it's taking the trophy here. Features. Oh man, Surfshark goes all out. Unlimited devices, built-in ad and malware blocking, split tunneling on basically any platform, special server options, even static IPs, and oh, they're on routers and smart TVs too. TunnelBear's big flex is also unlimited devices, definitely not bad, plus super easy browser extensions. But you don't get split tunneling unless you're on Android, and no router support. So if you like extra features to play with, Surfshark is way more stacked. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know TunnelBear has a Ghost Bear mode? That lets you sneak past VPN blocks by making your traffic look less like VPN traffic. It's kind of adorable, and kind of sneaky. Had to mention it. Now let's talk server network. Surfshark, massive, like 3,200 plus servers across more than 100 countries. They even offer specialty servers for static IP, P2P, and getting around tough restrictions. TunnelBear gets the basics right with over 1,000 servers, and for most folks, that's probably enough. But if you're someone who needs more options or travels often, Surfshark just has way more to offer. The winner's pretty obvious here. Device and platform support. This is fun. Surfshark gets on basically everything: Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, Fire TV, Apple TV, browsers, heck, even routers. So you want to cover your entire digital life? You can. TunnelBear's lineup is a little bit leaner: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and browsers. No Linux, no TV apps, no routers. So yeah, Surfshark has the advantage if you're a gadget lover. All right, ease of use. TunnelBear finally gets to flex. That interface is just so cute and simple. You literally turn it on and you're good to go. No tech degree required. Surfshark, on the other hand, looks modern and clean, and it's not difficult, but if you want to dig into advanced settings, it can feel a bit much. If you just want to click one button and chill, TunnelBear is perfect. So yeah, this round goes to TunnelBear. So, looking at the overall scorecard, Surfshark is out ahead in most categories, but TunnelBear does hold its ground when it comes to simplicity and ease of use. It's pretty clear who's pulling ahead though. All right, final thoughts. If you want loads of features, serious security, and want to slap a VPN on every device you own, Surfshark is the go-to in 2025. But if you just want something ultra-friendly, super easy, and honestly kind of fun to use for casual browsing, TunnelBear is still a sweet pick. Found this useful? Hey, don't stop here. Go check out some more VPN comparisons, and make sure you pick the right digital tunnel for your data. Stay safe out there.